In this video, I'll be showing you how to find deleted photos on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it is very simple to go ahead and do this. And the cool thing is that you could do this on literally any iPhone you have because the method is exactly the same. So what you want to do is go over to your Photos application, and then by default, you might just be on your library. But if you want to see your recently deleted photos, don't worry. What you can do is go over to Collections, which is the second tab on the bottom. Go ahead and scroll down, and one of the last options you're going to see under utilities is recently deleted, which is right here. So all you want to do is go ahead and click on that, and it's going to need your Face ID or your passcode to view the album. So all you want to do is just give it your Face ID or open the passcode, and then it's going to show your recently deleted within that. And yeah, there's literally nothing else to it. What I could go ahead and do then is press select on the top right, select whichever images I want, then press the three little dots and then recover it or permanently delete them as well if I want to. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.